morning everyone, my respected teachers and my fellow friends. I'm Susrutu Biswas from class 8C and today I'm going to share with you a few things about related to the topic artificial vegetative propagation. And the process or the terms which comes under artificial vegetative propagation, they are given below as we can see: stem cutting, layering, grafting, tissue culture or micropropagation. So at first we need to make it clear that what is artificial vegetative propagation. Can anyone tell? Just guess it. Yes, it's something related to something which is artificial. Artificial vegetative propagation. It means artificial means it's created by man. Vegetative means asexual parts or reproductive parts of a plant like roots, stems, buds, and propagation means which can propagate or grow. So we can understand by these three words that artificial propagation means there are different techniques and numerous techniques or methods by which plants are developed artificially by human. So let's come to the first point, which is stem cutting. So is it all about cutting a stem? No, it's also about planting it on a moist soil. So cuttings of a healthy young branch of a plant and planting it on a moist soil can be defined as stem cutting. It's carried out in plants such as chameli, bougainvillea, rose and sugarcane. So let's come to our second topic, which is layering. So what is layering? When a young branch of a plant is made bent to touch the ground and the layer of moist soil is kept over it or formed over it and the roots arise from this covered part, the young branch is cut off from the parent plant. This process is carried out in plants such as mint, vine, etc. Let's come to our third point, which is grafting. Now let's come to the grafting part. Here, a stem is cut having leaf buds called the scion is kept over a cut stem called the stalk. Now, after some time, the tissue of the scion and stalk will join together and the stalk will provide all the basic nutrients to the scion, and just in this way, the plant will develop. So what is its purpose? It is used to develop new varieties of ornamental plants and fruit trees like mango, guava, orange with desirable characters. Move on to the fourth point, which is tissue culture or micropropagation. So, is the tissue which is made up of paper? No, it's the plant tissue. So, micropropagation is the process by which plants are developed by the cell culture or the tissue culture technique. So, at first, a piece of tissue called explant is cut off from a growing tip of a plant and is kept under nutrient medium under aseptic conditions. And then it forms a cell mass called the callus. Then it is again transferred to another nutrient medium under aseptic conditions, and this callus will divide into root and shoot system and form numerous plantlets. These plantlets will be also transferred to pots filled with soil. This process is carried out in plants such as asparagus, orchids and chrysanthemum. So now let's come to the recapitulation part. So what have we learned till now, dear students? We have learned a great deal about artificial vegetative propagation and the process which comes under it. So at first you tell, what's the first one? Yes, that's stem cutting. Now the second one, what's the second one, my dear students? Layering. And the third one, it's grafting. Fourth one, it's tissue culture or micropropagation. Thank you.